Okay, so we've arrived at Trou-Aux Biches or Trou-Aux Biches. I don't actually know how to pronounce it properly in French, or if you're English, you'd probably pronounce it. How would you say it?
Trou-Aux Biches.
Yeah, so I don't know, maybe you can teach us how to say it properly, but we've arrived at the beach, and this is where you can actually go swimming with turtles, of course wild turtles, and you can just swim in by like not even 100 meters, and we should, fingers crossed, be able to find some turtles. I've been here before swimming with them, so I think I remember the rough spot where it was the last time, but of course Andrew's first time in Mauritius, so we're going to head out and see those.
I haven't really swam with a snorkel before, and we're going swimming with whales next weekend, so I kind of need to get a bit of practicing with some like small turtles before we move up to the 41,000 kilogram whales that I'm
41,000
41,000 kilos, yeah, that's the humpback.
The whales, yeah, so we're basically going to train him up to get used to the snorkel and fins, so he's ready to go with the big whales next week. But yeah, of course, we're going to take the drone up as well and show you what the beach looks like from above. They've also got lots of food trucks around here with lots of local food as well, so I'll show you that. But yeah, let's go check it out.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
Burgers, paninis, samosas, Mauritian food. There he is.
Learning how to put these on. This one's too tight.
Might be a while.
It's going to be ages.
I didn't actually manage to buy some fins yet because I was faffing around and didn't actually buy any. But Andrew's got some. We're going to head into the water, find some turtles. Apparently there's 4 out there. So yeah, we're going to see if Andrew doesn't drown on the way. Nah, he's a good swimmer. He's just...
Am I?
Well, maybe not.
I'm slow.
We'll see. I'm sure you'll make it.
Got my grade 2 or something when I was 10, so I'm all set.
So, all geared up. Now we're going to head into the water.
I need to keep walking backwards, mate.
Andrew said he's going to try and walk out as far as he can. Oh, the boat's gone now, so I don't know where the turtles are. I'm sure we'll find them. Okay, so we just went swimming with turtles. It was such a good experience. I think it was your first time seeing a turtle?
Yeah. It was so scary. So we lost all hope of finding one. And then we were like, we'll swim back in, and we said we'll split up, didn't we? So
yeah,
like 20
as soon as we
meters
split
apart.
up, yeah, then Andrew literally almost bumped into
I
us.
put my head down. I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it was crazy. Yeah, amazing experience.
Yeah, but that brings the episode to a close. I hope you enjoyed it, but I definitely recommend that you come and swim with the wild turtles in Mauritius. I'm sure you can swim with turtles in other parts of the island, but specifically in the Trou-Aux Biches, I know for a fact that you're almost guaranteed to see them, so come check it out.
And they've got the turtle tours that go out as well.
Yeah,
So you can kind of spot the boats way
Yeah.
out in the distance and just sort of swim along there and find them.
yeah, exactly. Just look where the group of boats are. Yeah, but you can also pay and go on a tour, and they'll take you out, so you don't have to swim as far, because it's quite, well, maybe 200 meters out,
Oh yeah.
around
Yeah,
250, maybe
I mean,
even
you're
300.
a strong swimmer. I'm not that strong a swimmer, and it was hard. On the way back, I was definitely puffing. It was a workout.
But anyway, that brings this episode to an end. I hope you enjoyed it, but we'll see you in the next one.